Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're hiking Jacoby Hallow. It's a 3.3 mile hike. Make my total mileage for the year 16.8 miles. Let's get hiking. So this is actually an unmarked trail on all trails, and it's supposed to lead to Riders Park, which I hike all the time. I might check that out at the end of this hike. We'll see.
It's a dizzying day. I would give a lot to get away. It's getting real dark in here. Feels like I've been here 1,000 years. Could you bring some light to me? Or just sit beside me and never leave? I got the curtains up. I guess it would be nice if you could interrupt.
Alright, so I made it to Jacoby Hallow. We'll take some B-roll and get on hiking.
It's a day I really would have missed. It's getting real dark in here. Feels like I've been here 1,000 years. Could you bring some light to me? Or just sit beside me and never leave?
Alright, so there was Jacoby Hallow. Pretty nice waterfall. Kind of busy today. Probably a dozen people up here. So I didn't really feel like shooting too much B-roll here. It's the first nice day in February. We'll let people be. Let them do their thing. Not really sure what road I'm on now. What access road. I climbed up the side of a mountain to get some shots and found this access road and didn't really feel like climbing back down the sketchy, icy waterfall that I climbed up. Wasn't really that smart to do. But let's get back on the trail. Hopefully find a couple more cool B-roll shots on my way back. And then I gotta still shoot that Sony a6 4000 / iPhone 11 comparison video. Anyways, see you back on the trail, guys.
Trying to wake up from a dream is harder than it seems. Birds are flying all around. Some fall and hit the ground. This is where I should belong. Inside.
Alright guys, so that's it. Only got about a quarter mile left back to my car. Jacoby Hall is a great hike. 3.3 miles, 20 minutes outside of Williamsport. Can't beat it. 50-degree day, middle of February. Can't beat that as well. Can't wait for spring so I can get out on the trail more often. Kind of sick of the cold already. Anyways, guys, please consider hitting that like button down below. Hit that subscribe button if you're ready for more hiking, backpacking, and camera-related content. And as always, guys, keep on hiking.